If you're looking to become financially independent, you need to find ways to decrease your debt and spending. But increasing your income is also beneficial, and side hustles can be a big help toward that end. Some of the best side hustles for 2020 involve everything from delivering food to digital marketing and even being a notary public. Thankfully, modern technology has created more opportunities to make money on the side than ever before. Of course, some opportunities can involve earning passive income while doing little work at all. Others require a more active role but can still be lucrative. Whether you're looking to drive people to the airport, rent out rooms in your home, or engage in affiliate marketing, I bet you'll find a side hustle on this list that is right for you. So let's get to it. Tutor. Are there any school subjects you're good at? Put that knowledge to your financial advantage by becoming a tutor. Thankfully, teaching and learning never go out of style. Lots of students need some after-school help, whether it be for math, biology, or standardized tests like the SATs. You can also work as an online tutor through platforms like Wiseant or VIP Kid, and even tutor foreign students to learn the English language. Virtual tutoring can also be done over a platform like Skype, so finding students near and far is easier than ever. According to Appointment Plus, the rate for private tutors can range anywhere from $10 to $100 per hour, so there is an opportunity to make a lot of money without putting in too many hours. If you love sharing your expertise and engaging with students, this may be the right side hustle for you. Proofread online. If you're detail-oriented and good with the English language, consider becoming an online proofreader for hire. To find gigs, you can register for freelancing sites such as Upwork and Fiverr. Lots of different businesses, from small blogs to larger websites and big companies, require proofreading. Plus, if you start getting more work than you can handle on the side, you can scale this business by subcontracting work to other freelancers. Be an affiliate marketer. If you have your own website, then affiliate marketing can be a good option for you. Affiliate marketing is a form of marketing in which you link to other companies' products on your site. You earn a commission from sales generated through those links. Be careful though, as there are scams and schemes out there that you need to avoid. Make sure to vet any partnerships you form for affiliate marketing so that you don't get caught in a scam. It is best to try and find products and services that are a fit for the topic or niche that your website represents. Once you form a partnership, you can ask the affiliate program to send you assets such as copy and images that will help you in your affiliate marketing efforts. Sell goods on eBay. eBay processes billions of transactions per day. Sure, selling on eBay can be competitive, but if you know your merchandise well, you can make some solid money with this gig. If you don't want to shop for all of the merchandise yourself, you can even sell goods on behalf of other people and collect commission on the sales. Either way, be sure to post strong ads for your products with sharp images and strong descriptions of the items. And eBay isn't the only option. Craigslist and Amazon can also be great marketplaces for you to sell your used merchandise. Take online surveys. Did you know you could earn money just by answering questions or giving your opinion? I give my opinion way too much for free, but I'd love to be paid for it. And now you can by taking online surveys. A few survey sites you may want to check out if you're interested in this side hustle include Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. This one is likely not going to be a huge source of income for you, but it's easy to do anytime and any place you have your laptop with you if you want to earn a little bit of spare change. Be a notary public. The job of a notary public is to serve the public as a witness to the signing of important documents in order to prevent fraud. To notarize documents, you need to become certified by the state. The cost to become a notary public is generally less than $100, so the investment is small. And by engaging in this service, you are helping the general public with important business for a fee. Host an Airbnb. Hosting an Airbnb is a cool gig for several reasons. For one, it lets you convert the spare bedroom in your house, that you don't know what to do with, into a money-making enterprise. Second, you'll get to meet cool people who could be coming from anywhere in the world. I know this because at times, I've been the cool person you would have met. A win for you! You get paid 24 hours after your guests check in, so the wait time to receive your cold hard cash isn't too bad. Plus, you could scale this business by renting multiple rooms or even multiple properties. Complete tasks for Taskrabbit. Watching me assemble IKEA furniture is ugly. There's a lot of cursing, banging of tools, and the occasional breaking of half-finished furniture. Sometimes the end product is usable. So you know what I do now instead? I hire furniture assemblers from Taskrabbit. The people I hire have been great, and they make money doing projects they excel at, the kind of projects people like me are terrible at. It's not just for furniture assembly though, it's for many different tasks and errands that people do not want to do themselves. Some of the work can even be done digitally, so put your talents to work in a side hustle that is much appreciated by both me and my furniture. Manage social media for a local business. It may take a bit of initiative, but if you are willing to reach out to local businesses in your area, they may be willing to pay you to handle their social media tasks. This is a digital business, so you can do it right from home. Make sure to research what a fair monthly price for these services in your area would be and get a contract for the work. You can manage the social media posts for a company's Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or other platforms that they use. You can also expand into other areas of digital marketing like search engine optimization or SEO, design, or coding. So find areas that interest you and go for it. Are you doing any of these side hustles already? If so, do they pay well? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new here. And until next time, keep up the hustle.